Do you know that scenario where you've taken a picture but then realize you left the lens cap on? That might be a little less likely to occur nowadays, but I've actually been accidentally hitting the record button in between takes. So now I'm starting with a partially completed cookie here. I flooded the bottom of the cookie with thin icing, but it might have been too thin because in some areas it accidentally spilled over the side. Then I sprinkled some nonpareils on top. You can wait a little bit for the icing to set to sprinkle those nonpareils so that it gives it a little more dimension. Here I'm piping the chocolate part of the chocolate covered strawberry, and then I'm using my scribe tool to shape the icing. I still struggle with icing consistency, knowing what to use and how to use it. I think it takes a bit of practice to really get the feel for how to handle those different consistencies. Royal icing cookies are not my normal bakery product, and many badly decorated cookies have been fed to my husband. I'm going to be using a thicker frosting for the leaves at the top of the cookie, and also a leaf piping tip to pipe out three leaves at the top and also give it a little shape. For the bottom decoration, I would wait until the icing dries to pipe the white design. I think this is one reason why the brown icing ended up discoloring the white design just a little bit. I've also seen people brush cornstarch onto their cookie, which I think might stop the bleeding. I haven't tried it yet, but maybe I will do that soon. Thanks.